Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anifah and I'm a fourth semester student. Today I would like to deliver a speech about pollution in Gresik. Okay, have you ever noticed that the air becomes dusty when many trucks pass by? Or have you smelled smoke coming from industrial areas? These situations are very common in Gresik. As we know, Gresik is one of the industrial cities in East Java. While industries help economic growth and provide many job opportunities, they also cause environmental problems, especially pollution. Pollution is a problem that affects not only the environment but also human health and daily life. If pollution continues to increase, it can create serious problems for future generations. Therefore, it is important for us to understand the causes and solution of pollution. Today, I would like to talk about pollution, especially pollution in Gresik. I will explain the types of pollution, the cause of pollution, and the solutions to reduce pollution. Ladies and gentlemen, first, I will talk about the types of pollution in Gresik. The first type is air pollution. Air pollution is very common in Gresik. There are many factories and trucks on the roads every day. These trucks produce smoke and dust. In addition, factories also produce emissions. As a result, the air becomes dirty and uncomfortable, especially near industrial areas. For example, people who live close to factories or busy roads often complain about dusty air. Sometimes they have to clean their houses more often because dust quickly enters through windows and doors. Air pollution can also cause health problems such as coughing, breathing difficulties, and eye irritation. The second type is water pollution. Water pollution happens when industrial waste and household garbage enter rivers and coastal areas. This pollution can harm marine life and affect people who depend on clean water. Gresik has many coastal areas and many people work as fishermen. When water becomes polluted, fish and other marine organisms may be affected. As a result, fishermen may catch fewer fish, which can affect their income and daily life. The third type is land pollution. Land pollution happens because of plastic waste, industrial waste, and garbage. Some areas near factories or villages often look dirty because waste is not managed properly. Plastic waste is one of the biggest problems because it takes a very long time to decompose. If people continue throwing plastic carelessly, the amount of waste will continue to increase and damage the environment. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next I will explain the causes of pollution. The first cause is industrial activities. Gresik is home to many industries, including cement factories, fertilizer factories, and other manufacturing companies. These industries play an important role in supporting the economy. However, industrial activities also produce smoke, chemical waste, and harmful gases. If these wastes are not managed properly, they can pollute the air, water, and land. This is why industrial pollution remains one of the biggest environmental challenges in Gresik. The second cause is transportation. Every day, many trucks transport raw materials and industrial products. These trucks are important for business activities, but they also produce smoke and dust. In some areas, traffic congestion makes the situation even worse. When vehicles spend more time on the road, they release more emissions into the air. This contributes to poor air quality and increased pollution levels. The third cause is human behavior. Pollution is not caused only by factories and vehicles. Human behavior also plays an important role. Some people still throw garbage carelessly into the river, streets, or empty land. Others use too many plastic bags and disposable products. Many people also burn garbage instead of disposing of it properly. These activities may seem small, but when many people do the same thing, they create a serious environmental problem. Another cause is lack of environmental awareness. Some people do not realize that their action can affect the environment and the health of others. Finally, I would like to talk about the solutions. The first solution is that the government should strengthen environmental regulations. Factory emissions and industrial waste should be monitored regularly to ensure they do not exceed safety standards. The government can also improve waste management system and provide more public facilities for recycling and waste disposal. The second solution is public participation. People should reduce plastic use and throw garbage properly. We can start with simple actions such as bringing reusable bags when shopping and separating recyclable waste from other garbage. Although these actions may seem small, they can make a big difference when practiced by many people. Although although this action may although these actions may seems although these actions Although these actions may seem small, they can make a big difference when practiced by many people. The third solution is planting trees and creating more green spaces. Trees help absorb carbon dioxide and improve air quality. Green spaces also make cities healthier and more comfortable place to live. Schools, communities, and companies can organize tree planting activities to encourage environmental awareness and help reduce pollution. The fourth solution is education. People need to learn more about environmental protection. When people understand the dangers of pollution, they are more likely to change their behavior and contribute to a cleaner environment. So, in a summary, pollution in Gresik is caused by factories, transportation, and human behavior. Today, I have explained the three main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. I have also discussed the causes and several solutions that help reduce pollution. Although pollution is a serious problem, it is not impossible to solve. The government, industries, and communities all have important roles in protecting the environment. We cannot stop development, but we can reduce pollution by working together and taking responsibility for our actions. We can create a cleaner, healthier, and better future for everyone. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.